the Clockmaker's secret. In a quaint village, nestled beneath the rolling hills, there lived an enigmatic clockmaker named Alistair. His workshop, the Enchanted Timepieces, was known for crafting clocks that seemed to hold secrets within. One foggy morning, a traveler named Amelia arrived seeking a unique clock. Alistair, with a sly grin, introduced her to the Whispering Hourglass. Its ticking, she soon realized, was unlike any other. It whispered cryptic messages with every passing minute. As the day wore on, Amelia unraveled the timepiece's messages. At noon, it whispered, "Seek the hidden garden." With curiosity piqued, she ventured into the dense forest, each step deeper filling her heart with anticipation. In the garden, as the sun set, the clock revealed, "Under the old oak, buried treasure lies." Dusk fell as she uncovered a box brimming with ancient riches, each revealing a story of its own. The night arrived with a final message. The true treasure is the journey. Amelia left with a heart full of stories, leaving behind the enigmatic timepiece, its secrets known only to her and Alistair. Every moment in life holds a secret, and the true treasure often lies in the journey itself.